Can you identify this car part? Every car on the road is made up of thousands of individual parts, from exterior components like headlights, the hood, and windshield wipers, to interior features such as the steering wheel and dashboard lights. In this video, we'll break down these essential car parts, explain what each one does, and show why they matter. Along the way, we'll quiz you to test your understanding and see how well you're keeping up. So whether you're a new driver, a car enthusiast, or just curious about how your vehicle works, get ready to learn, challenge yourself, and sharpen your car knowledge. Let's dive in. Catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is part of the exhaust system that reduces harmful emissions by converting toxic gases like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides into less harmful substances before they leave the vehicle. This process is essential for lowering pollution and meeting environmental regulations. A clogged converter causes poor engine performance, increased fuel consumption, and will result in a failed emissions test. The alternator. The alternator converts mechanical energy from the engine into electrical power to charge the battery and run the vehicle's electrical systems. It powers essential components like lights, ignition, and electronics while the engine is running. Without a functioning alternator, the battery quickly drains and the vehicle loses electrical power, leading to breakdown. A failing alternator will quickly drain the battery, causing your lights to dim and eventually leading to a total engine stall. Brake discs. Brake discs are metal rotors attached to the wheels that rotate with them. When the brake pedal is pressed, the brake pads clamp onto the discs to create friction, slowing or stopping the vehicle. This system is essential for effective braking performance and heat dissipation during stops. Worn or warped discs reduce braking efficiency, increase stopping distance, and significantly raise the risk of accidents. The fuse box. The fuse box is an electrical safety system that houses fuses and relays to protect the vehicle's electrical circuits. It prevents damage by cutting power when there's an overload or short circuit. This unit is vital for fire prevention and system longevity. A blown fuse will cause specific electronics to stop working until it is replaced. Spark plugs. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture inside the engine cylinders, creating the combustion needed to power the vehicle. This small but essential component ensures smooth engine start, efficient fuel burning, and consistent performance. Without properly working spark plugs, the engine may misfire, struggle to start, or lose power. Faulty spark plugs reduce efficiency and reliability, making them critical for proper engine operation and overall vehicle performance. Now that we've explained what each car part is and what it does, it's time for the quiz to see how quickly you can recognize them. What section of the vehicle is this? Good thinking. These are the brake discs. Which part of the car is this? That's right. This is the alternator. Which part of the vehicle is this? Correct. This is the fuse box. Can you identify this car part? Impressive. This is the catalytic converter. Which part of the vehicle do you see here? Nicely done. This is the spark plug. Headlights. Headlights project a focused beam of light to illuminate the road ahead during nighttime or low visibility conditions. They are essential for identifying obstacles, signs, and other road users while signaling your vehicle's presence to oncoming traffic. Maintaining clear, functioning headlights is crucial for reaction time and overall safety in adverse weather. Dim or failed bulbs significantly reduce your field of vision, putting you and others at a high risk of collisions. The steering wheel. The steering wheel serves as the primary interface for directional control, converting rotational input into the mechanical movement of the wheels. By engaging the steering rack, it allows the driver to navigate turns and maintain lane positioning accurately. This component is vital for precise maneuvering and avoiding hazards. A failure in the steering system strips the driver of control, leading to unpredictable vehicle behavior and a high risk of accidents. Taillights. Taillights show your vehicle's position and intentions to drivers behind you, ensuring you remain visible during nighttime or poor weather. They provide constant illumination while active and house critical signaling components like brake and indicator lights. This visibility is vital for maintaining safe following distances and preventing rear-end collisions. Faulty taillights leave your vehicle nearly invisible from the rear, drastically increasing the likelihood of accidents. Side mirrors. Side mirrors provide a wide field of vision, allowing you to see vehicles and obstacles located in your blind spots. They are essential for monitoring surrounding traffic during lane changes, merging, and reversing. Having clear, well-adjusted mirrors is vital for maintaining situational awareness and making safe driving decisions. Without them, your awareness of nearby traffic is severely limited, significantly increasing the risk of sideswipe accidents and collisions. Windshield. The windshield serves as a vital structural support and a barrier against wind, rain, and flying debris. It gives you a clear view of the road while helping hold up the car's roof. This glass is essential for keeping you safe and ensuring airbags deploy correctly during a crash. A cracked windshield reduces your visibility and weakens the car's frame, putting you at a much higher risk of injury. Identify this car part. Excellent. These are the taillights. What car part is this? Good observation. This is the windshield. What car part is this? Brilliant. This is the headlight. Which part of the car is this? Fantastic. This is the side mirror. Which car part could this be? Good thinking. This is the steering wheel. Turn signals. Turn signals indicate a driver's intention to turn or change lanes, giving other road users advance notice of movement. They provide a clear visual warning to surrounding traffic, helping prevent confusion and ensuring smooth traffic flow. This simple but essential system allows drivers to anticipate actions on the road and respond safely. Damaged turn signals increase the risk of misunderstandings and collisions. The tires. Tires are the only part of the vehicle that touches the road. They provide the grip needed for steering and braking. They support the car's weight and absorb shocks from bumps to ensure a smooth ride. Quality tread is vital for maintaining traction, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Worn or underinflated tires severely reduce the control and stopping power, significantly increasing the risk of a dangerous blowout or accident. License plate. The license plate is an official identification assigned to a vehicle that allows authorities and other road users to recognize and track it. It links the vehicle to its registration, owner, and compliance records. While it does not affect driving performance, it is essential for law enforcement, identification, and accountability on the road. Missing or unreadable license plates can lead to legal penalties and make it difficult to identify a vehicle involved in violations or accidents. The wheels. The car wheels are the structural parts that hold the tires and connect your vehicle to the road. They support the car's weight, allow smooth rotation, and provide the stability needed for safe handling and control. Damaged or bent wheels can cause heavy vibrations and poor handling, making the car difficult to control and increasing the risk of an accident. Windshield wipers. The windshield wipers remove rain, dirt, and debris from the windshield to maintain clear visibility while driving. They use rubber blades to sweep away obstructions, allowing the driver to see the road clearly in poor weather conditions. This system is essential for safe driving during rainy, snowy, and dusty conditions. Faulty wipers reduce visibility and reaction time, increasing the risk of accidents in low visibility weather. Which part of the car is this? Good thinking. This is a tire. Which part of the vehicle is this? Correct. This is a turn indicator signal. Which part of the car is this? Well done. These are the windshield wipers. Can you name this part? Good thinking. This is the license plate. What is this component? Impressive. This is a car wheel. The gas cap. The gas cap is used to seal the fuel tank, preventing fuel vapors from escaping and keeping dirt, dust, and moisture from entering the system. It helps maintain proper fuel pressure, which is essential for efficient engine performance and fuel economy. A loose cap causes fuel to evaporate, which triggers the check engine light, reduces fuel economy, and leads to unnecessary environmental pollution and potential safety hazards. The grill. The grill allows air to flow into the engine bay for cooling. It helps regulate engine temperature by directing airflow to the radiator, which prevents overheating during operation. It also protects vital engine components from debris and road damage. A blocked grill leads to engine failure from excessive heat, which reduces engine performance. The car hood. The car hood is the protective cover that shields the engine and other key components in the engine bay. It acts as a barrier against rain, debris, and heat while providing easy access for maintenance and repairs. In a collision, it also helps absorb impact and protect the engine compartment. A damaged hood can expose vital parts to damage and can open while driving, blocking the driver's vision. The trunk. The trunk is the primary storage compartment for carrying luggage, groceries, and emergency tools. It keeps your belongings secure and out of sight from theft and protects them from the weather. This space is also vital for balancing the vehicle's weight and keeping the cabin free of loose items that could fly around during a sudden stop. A damaged trunk can reduce security and storage safety. The bumper. The bumper is a protective component located at the front and rear of the vehicle, designed to absorb impact during minor collisions. It helps reduce damage to essential parts of the car, such as the engine, lights, and trunk, by dispersing crash energy. The bumper also enhances pedestrian safety and overall vehicle protection. A damaged bumper reduces impact protection, increasing repair costs and the risk of further structural damage in an accident. Which part of the car is this? Excellent. This is the trunk. What do you call this car part? Good observation. This is the gas cap. Which part of the car is this? Brilliant. This is the bumper. Identify the car component. Nicely done. This is the grille. Can you recognize this part? Fantastic. This is the hood. The dashboard. The dashboard is the control and information center of the vehicle located in front of the driver. It displays essential data such as speed, fuel level, engine status, and warning indicators, helping the driver monitor the car's condition in real time. It also houses key controls for various systems. A malfunctioning dashboard can prevent the driver from receiving critical information, increasing the risk of poor decisions and unsafe driving conditions. The exhaust pipe. The exhaust pipe is part of the vehicle's exhaust system that directs harmful gases away from the engine and out of the car. It directs harmful carbon monoxide and other pollutants toward the rear of the vehicle, away from the passenger cabin. A damaged exhaust pipe can reduce performance, increase noise, and expose occupants to dangerous gases, making it critical for safety and environmental control. The gear shifter. The gear shifter allows a driver to control the vehicle's transmission by directing power to move forward, reverse, or stay in park. It connects the driver's input to the transmission system, controlling how power from the engine is delivered to the wheels. This control is vital for managing acceleration and braking. A faulty shifter prevents proper gear selection, which makes the vehicle difficult to operate safely. The rear-view mirror. The rear-view mirror provides a clear view of the traffic directly behind your vehicle without requiring you to turn around. It allows you to monitor following cars and judge distances safely while driving or slowing down. It is vital for situational awareness and preventing rear-end collisions. The gas pedal. The gas pedal or accelerator controls the flow of fuel and air to the engine to regulate your speed. When pressed, it increases engine power and speed, and when released, it reduces acceleration. Which part of the car is this? Correct. This is the gear shifter. What part of the car is shown here? Good thinking. This is the rear-view mirror. Which part of the vehicle is this? Good thinking. This is the dashboard. What part of the vehicle is this? Well done. This is the exhaust pipe. Which part of the vehicle is this? Excellent. This is the gas pedal. The brake pedal. The brake pedal controls the vehicle's braking system by sending hydraulic pressure through brake fluid to slow down or stop the car. When pressed, it activates the brake pads to create friction against the rotors, reducing speed safely. An unresponsive brake pedal is a major hazard as it prevents you from stopping in time, leading to severe road accidents. The speedometer. The speedometer measures and displays the vehicle's current speed in real time, helping the driver maintain safe and legal driving limits. It provides essential feedback for controlling acceleration and adjusting driving behavior according to road conditions. This instrument is crucial for preventing overspeeding and improving road safety. The seatbelt. The seatbelt is the most critical safety device designed to hold passengers securely in place during sudden stops or collisions. It distributes the force of an impact across the strongest parts of the body, preventing the driver from being thrown against the interior or ejected. Failing to wear a seatbelt significantly increases the risk of fatal injury, as even minor crashes can be deadly. The sun visor. The sun visor is a movable flap located above the windshield designed to block direct sunlight and glare. It reduces glare, improves visibility, and prevents temporary blindness while driving by blocking direct light. A missing or broken visor forces you to squint or lose sight of hazards, significantly increasing the risk of a serious accident. The glove box. The glove box is a built-in storage compartment located in the dashboard on the passenger side. It provides a secure, convenient place to store essential documents like your vehicle registration, insurance papers, and the owner's manual. While it does not affect vehicle performance, a secure glove box is important for convenience and safety. Can you identify this car part? Good observation. This is the sun visor. Name this car part. Brilliant. This is the speedometer. What car part is this? Fantastic. This is the brake pedal. Which car part is this? Correct. This is the glove box. Which part of this vehicle do you see? Good thinking. This is the seat belt. The parking brake. The parking brake is a secondary system designed to keep your vehicle stationary when parked. It bypasses the hydraulic system to lock the wheels directly, providing an extra layer of safety, especially on inclines. It is used to secure the vehicle when not in use and preventing rolling accidents. The air vents. The air vents are adjustable openings that direct the flow of heated or cooled air throughout the vehicle's cabin. They help regulate cabin temperature and improve comfort by distributing air evenly throughout the interior. Proper airflow is also important for defogging windows and maintaining clear visibility while driving. The brake pads. Brake pads are friction components that press against the brake discs to slow down or stop the vehicle. They convert kinetic energy into heat through friction when the brakes are applied. This process is essential for controlled stopping and safe driving. Worn brake pads reduce braking power, cause noise, and increase stopping distance, greatly increasing the risk of accidents. The engine. The car engine is the main power source of the vehicle, responsible for converting fuel into mechanical energy to move the car. It powers the drivetrain and supports all driving functions, making it the core of vehicle operation. Without a functioning engine, the vehicle cannot start or move. Engine failure results in complete loss of mobility and performance, making it the most critical component for overall vehicle functionality. The car battery. The car battery is the primary energy storage device that provides the electrical surge needed to start the engine. It powers components like lights, ignition, and electronics, ensuring the vehicle can start and operate reliably. Without a working battery, the car cannot start or power electrical systems. A weak battery leads to starting failure and system malfunctions. What do you think this car component is? Impressive. These are the brake pads. What is this car component? Excellent. This is the parking brake. Spot this car part. Well done. This is the engine. What car part is this? Good observation. These are the air vents. What do you think this car component is? Brilliant. This is the battery. The radiator. The radiator is a key component of the engine cooling system that removes excess heat from the engine. It circulates coolant through the engine and releases heat into the air to maintain optimal operating temperature. This process is essential for preventing engine overheating and ensuring efficient performance. A leaking or clogged radiator can cause the engine to warp or melt, leading to permanent and incredibly costly damage. The air filter. The air filter acts as the engine's lungs, trapping dirt, dust, and debris before they can enter the combustion chamber. It ensures that only clean air mixes with fuel, which is necessary for efficient burning and power generation. This component is vital for maintaining fuel economy and protecting internal engine parts from abrasive wear. The car transmission. The car transmission transfers power from the engine to the wheels, controlling speed and torque based on driving conditions. It allows the vehicle to change gears smoothly, ensuring efficient acceleration and performance. Transmission failure can cause loss of movement, poor fuel efficiency, and driving instability, making it essential for overall vehicle operation and control. The muffler. The muffler is part of the exhaust system that reduces engine noise by controlling and directing exhaust gases. It uses a series of internal chambers to cancel out sound waves before they exit the vehicle. A damaged muffler causes a loud, disruptive roar and may allow dangerous exhaust fumes to leak. The shock absorbers. The shock absorbers control the impact and rebound of the vehicle's suspension system, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. They reduce bouncing and help maintain tire contact with the road for better handling and control. Without proper shock absorbers, the vehicle becomes unstable, uncomfortable, and harder to control, especially on rough roads. What part of the car could this be? Fantastic. This is the muffler. What section of the vehicle is this? Correct. This is the air filter. Identify this car part. Good thinking. This is the transmission. What part of the car could this be? Nicely done. These are the shock absorbers. Which car part is this? Excellent. This is the radiator. All right, we've explained everything and tested your knowledge. Now it's time for the final rapid-fire challenge. 40 car parts, 5 seconds each. Let's see how fast you can identify them before time runs out. Let's get into it. Which part of the car is this? This is the battery. Name this car part. This is the speedometer. Spot this car part. This is the engine. What car part could this be? This is the seat belt. What car part is this? These are the windshield wipers. Which part of the car is this? These are the side mirrors. What car part is this? This is the headlight. What part of the vehicle is this? This is the dashboard. What part of the vehicle is this? This is a turn indicator signal. What car part is this? This is a tire. What car part is this? This is the windshield. Identify this car part. These are the taillights. Can you name this part? This is the license plate. What section of the vehicle is this? These are the brake discs. What part of the vehicle is this? This is the exhaust pipe. What is this component? This is a car wheel. Can you identify this car part? This is the catalytic converter. What section of the vehicle is this? This is the spark plug. What car part is this? This is the trunk. Which part of the car is this? This is the alternator. What car part could this be? This is the steering wheel. Which car part is this? This is the fuse box. Can you recognize this part? This is the hood. Identify this car part. This is the gas pedal. Identify the part of this vehicle. This is the bumper. What car part is this? This is the gear shifter. Which part of the car is this? This is the glove box. What part of the car is shown here? This is the rear view mirror. Can you identify this car part? This is the sun visor. What car part is this? This is the brake pedal. Identify the car component. This is the grille. What do you call this car part? This is the gas cap. What section of the vehicle is this? This is the air filter. Which car part is this? These are the brake pads. What part of the car could this be? This is the muffler. Which car part is this? This is the radiator. What is this car component? This is the parking brake. What part of the car could this be? This is the shock absorber. What car part is this? These are the air vents. Identify this car part. This is the transmission. Thanks for watching. If you found this video very useful, hit that subscribe button to get the latest driving videos like this. Drop your thoughts about this video in the comments below. See you in the next video.